Good morning, student. This is your chapter crop production and management. In this chapter, first of all, we should know what is crop. What is crop? Crop, it is a type of plant. It is the same type of plant cultivated in large area in definite or particular season. This is crop. Now here we categorize the crop according to their sowing time and harvesting time. Okay, on this basis we divided into three types. One is Kharif, another one is Rabi and Zaid. Okay, Kharif is sown between July to October and Rabi crop is October to March. But Zaid is the crop which is shown between the Kharif and Rabi, that is March to June, right? So this is the type of crop. It is clear now what is crop and what is tree, what is plant. It is all are the different things. But here is crop. Crop are the same kind of plant cultivated in large area in definite season, right? This is crop. Now production. Production is clear. The other word is management. Management, it is a practice which deals with the production house to consumer. Okay, from production to producer to consumer. In this all activity comes in the management. If at any step any mistake or any mishappening happens, entire management failure. Okay, so crop from field to market, crop from farmer to consumer is called crop production and management, right? Now the first thing is the preparation of soil. Preparation of soil, as you know, for everything we need some preparation. Before coming to you, I prepared myself. Before examination, you prepared yourself. Similarly, farmer also prepare their soil for cultivation. Okay, in this case, for this the first activity what they do, tilling or ploughing by traditional hull or modern tractor, right? Tilling or ploughing. By this they used to turn the soil. They used to turn the soil. By in this process, soil get loose. Why it is important? Because the crop, either rice or wheat, whatever it is, whatever with the crops, their root are very weak. Okay, and the depth of the root will go only 5 to 10 inches maximum. Okay, so that they do not go very inside, and they are, since they are very weak, so it is very important to lose the soil. This is one reason. Other reason is that after the tilling or the turning the crop to soil, it helps to pass the oxygen to the under the soil. It also helps. And other thing is that the small insects which having shelter in the soil come out, and the birds which consume that, and it makes soil ready for the sowing, right? So this is the tilling and ploughing. This is the first important step. Another is sowing. Sowing, it is the process to put the soil after the losing, and for this it is important to selection of the soil, selection of the seeds, which kind of seed we are going to sow. Then it depend upon it will affect on the production of the crop. So it is very important. Right now, here also one more important thing. After the tilling, farmer used to leveling the field. Why? Because water should, after the irrigation, water should equally distributed for entire field. Okay, if it is not leveled, then some places higher, some places is low. So, and in some places water logging is there, which is also harmful, and some places at the high place water cannot reach. So this is another harmful, because without irrigation, without water, how crops can grow? So it is leveling. And one more thing, it is also important, leveling is also important for the harvesting. So after the harvesting, they collect it in the proper way, right? So preparation of the soil, it's tilling or plogging, and leveling comes in it. Sowing, it is clear. Now adding manure and the fertilizer. Manure and fertilizer are what? It is the extra additional things which enhance the fertility of the soil. Okay, which enhance the fertility of the soil. Manure, it is organic component, it is the organic waste, and it is the best. It is the best. While fertilizer is the chemical product, okay, it's harmful. Okay, fertilizer or the pesticides which we chemically use, it is always harmful. Initially it shows it is very good, but it's harmful. It may increase the production, but it's for temporary. Ultimately it damages the fertility of soil, it badly affect fertility of the soil. And after the consumption of these, as you have seen in your many of the family suffering from cancer, like many more diseases, this is the main reason. By this chemical fertilizer or chemical pesticides, we consume all the chemicals things indirectly, so that we are suffering from these problems. Okay, irrigation, it is the most important thing. Irrigation is the most important thing, because watering of the crop is called irrigation. In the absence of proper irrigation, okay, or excess irrigation, both, in the absence of irrigation, it is also not possible to proper growth in crop, or in the absence of irrigation, it is also very difficult. Okay, so it depend upon the nature of the crop. Kharif crop need more water, more irrigation, so it is very important right now. And protecting from weeds. What are the weeds? Weeds are the unwanted plant. Weeds are the unwanted plant which grown up between the crops, which consume all the nutrients, so that farmer used to weedicide also, or by hand picking also, they pull out the unwanted crop, that is called weeds, right? And then harvesting. Harvesting, it is the process of the cutting the crop, is called harvesting. And storage, the last thing, it is storage. For this, farmer used to keep their crops in godown and seol, whatever it is. So these are the steps for the crop production and management. It is also very important to reach production farm to market. For this, transportation is also very important. Convenient transportation is very important. So that these are the components for the crop production and management. Hope all of you understood. Thank you.